Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode with this cool amazing product right here in my hand, if you can see. Basically what this is a screen protector for your brand new iPhone 12. I actually did a video for this already, but I want to do like update video to show you guys how to actually apply this product on correctly because there was some issue last time. So let me actually open the product really quick to show you what it actually looks like again. And then I'll show you guys a better view of the product itself. So when you guys first open the product itself, this is basically what it looks like right here. So when you guys open it up, you guys get the little accessory to actually apply it on correctly every single time. Give you guys like the wet wipes, if you guys can see right here, and a little instruction card to teach you guys how to apply it, and a little warranty card right there. And then here is the actual product itself, if you guys can see. So they provide you two of these to actually apply it on. And this is like a full coverage of the actual phone itself. So it covers the camera, covers the speaker on the actual iPhone itself, and all the corners as well. So what happened last time when I actually applied on is that when I actually put it on, I didn't use the little tape to actually apply it on correctly, so that way I can avoid and remove any of the dust. So you guys want to make sure you guys use that when you guys apply it on. And then when you guys apply it on, don't just like put it on immediately. Let it slowly apply it on like that instead of like just slamming it on immediately. So let me actually show you guys the quick test of the product itself and then show you guys like a better view and angle of the product itself, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, let's open this up first. So do you need to want to use the wet wipe to wipe it down first? So let's do that first. Alright, so open this one up first, and then we're gonna use the wet wipes. So you guys want to wipe it down first. So once you guys are done wiping it down, you guys want to get the next thing, which is the dry cloth right here to wipe it down. And I do recommend swiping it like one motion like this. That way you guys don't have any dust sticking on it, and actually it just comes off in one direction, if you guys can see. Alright, so that should be good. So next you guys want to use this part right here to apply it on just like this. And then you guys can use a sticker to kind of like remove any dust if there is any. Alright, and then once you guys are done, you guys can actually apply the glass screen protector, which is part right here. So you just want to just remove this part and then just apply it on. So just take it off like this. And then just apply it on. So let's do that. Alright, so let's apply it on. So when you guys apply it on, make sure you guys like let this part go in first, and then slowly slide its way into just like this. So basically, as you can see, that I should have a perfect fit every single time. This is a little part here that you can just use your finger to kind of fix it. You guys can see. And then it's all set. So it's a perfect fitting, if you guys can see. No bubbles or anything. As long as you guys remove any of the dust that should be on the screen itself, it should be perfect. And it has like the full coverage for the whole entire phone itself, if you guys can see. So right there, you guys can see full coverage throughout the phone itself. Same thing applies to right here as well. And also in this corner as well. And the camera itself also has the protection and the cover right here, but it shouldn't affect the camera quality at all having this glass screen protector on. So there you guys have it. Let me turn on the phone, show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so we're turning on. So this is basically what it looks like once you guys have it on set up correctly and everything. High quality glass screen protector that has full coverage for the whole entire phone itself, if you guys can see. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw that video of how to actually apply on correctly, and you guys can see like a better view of what the actual glass screen protector looks like without the case and everything. You guys can see it does have a good coverage on all the actual phone itself. And when you guys use the front-facing camera for the quality and everything, it's still really high quality and everything. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about real quick. So for example, right now I'm using the front-facing camera for the portrait mode. Let me show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so as you can see from the quality itself, it's actually really nice quality. Even with the glass screen protector on, it's actually really high quality. So you guys don't have to worry about having the glass screen protector that will actually affect like the camera quality when you guys use the front-facing camera. It's actually fine. You guys don't have to worry about it because of how clear and how high quality this tempered glass is. It literally protects the front of the actual phone itself. As you can see, it's like a full-on coverage. And obviously for this glass screen protector, it is anti-shatter and it's scratch resistant, so you guys don't have to worry about those as well. And like the sensitivity of the actual phone itself is still pretty good. So I'm gonna use the listing for example, if you guys can see right here, of like showing you guys the sensitivity on here. So just swiping, as you can see, is really easy. Even with the glass screen protector on, it still works really well. So that's pretty much what I wanted to do, like a quick update video to you guys know about the product itself, on like how to actually apply it on correctly and everything. Now that we did a quick unboxing and a little update of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. I still have to stick to what I said last time, that this product is definitely worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys do have the brand new iPhone 12. I do highly recommend getting any kind of protection for the glass screen protector itself to protect your glass on the actual iPhone itself. So that way you guys don't have to worry about it cracking or getting scratches or anything on there. Even though it does have the brand new ceramic shield material on it, you guys still want to protect that at all costs. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have no one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have